In this video, let's see how to enable and customize shortcuts in SendX. Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can toggle on the shortcuts in SendX. So, to toggle on the shortcuts you have to click on the profile icon and go to the settings. Then in settings you have to go to the integration and add-on panel. Then you have to click on add-ons. Then you have to go to the shortcuts and toggle it on. Once the shortcut is on, you can see the menu by clicking Ctrl or Command and then /. So this is the menu of the shortcuts. Let me show you some. Now I am clicking B and then B. So I am going back. If I want to create a new newsletter, I can see what's the command for creating new newsletters. It's N and then N. So I'll just click N and then N and I'll be redirected to the new campaigns page. This is the Create New Campaign page. Then if I want to customize the shortcuts, I can even customize this. So if I want to change the keyboard shortcut, I can do, for example, for opening the shortcut menu. I want to change this to Command 0 and I'll just save it so that this is saved now. So when I click on Command and then 0, my shortcut menu will open. Thanks for watching.